Today we're gonna fix these lights, figure out how they work and mount them. The tray is gonna get finished and I think I might get a ramp as well. Maybe even do the paint. I don't know if we get that far. Maybe even finish it. So I got these lights on a Craigslist, Marktplaats, which is like a second-hand online website. Got these lights for 10 euros. Two of these lights, LED. The only thing I don't have is the schematics for what color does what. So I've got this 12 volt battery. I'm going to use this as my test battery. So I've got these little gorilla grips, crocodile grips, and I will use that to figure out which wire does what. So let's see if these lights work. I've been soldering them together. So white is earth, which I've connected over here. Earth. So I've got this to positive. Do the red wire now, and it should give us brake, which it does. Alright, so the next one is the brown one, which should give us a running light and license plate, which it does. So the little red lights. Now green should give, I think, right. There you go. This one gives left signal. This one's a bit weird because this is fog and reverse. If I put my fog light on, this will happen. If I put in reverse, that will happen the same thing. So this is mandatory, I think, and this is not. I'm just going to leave it like this and maybe figure it out later. So the lights work, and I can put these on this trailer now. So brake, running light, right, left, reverse. The front light's working. Hooked it up to the battery. So I made this ramp. I already had this. It's the same ramp I use in the shed. I didn't want to make another one, so I made these mountings. This is also from stuff from the caravan. Welded it to the frame and used these. These came from the caravan as well to secure the ramp. And actually, I can flip this now. Didn't mean to, but I can put this like so. Okay, this is the trailer completely disassembled again. Got the wheel arches, got the two walkways. I've got the gutter for the motorcycle. That's the front end, of course, the hook, the rear lights, the frame itself. Two wheels. I've got a third one over here. The nose wheel and the wheel chuck. And I can use that in the shed now. And that is the entire thing disassembled. So all I need to do now is get that frame underneath there somewhere. Painting the loose bits. Now I'm just going to paint the bits of the frame that I had to grind down and protect them again. It is galvanized, most of it, so it won't rust anyway, but there are pieces that have been grinded down through the welding and stuff that need to be protected again. So I've decided to do the top with black because I've got a lot of that. I've cleaned the entire frame now, so I'll do the top and then yeah. And then I can put it together. treated myself to this rivet set. I've used rivets on the wheel arches and I really enjoyed that. Now, these are the other ones that are also used within the trailer, and I thought, couldn't I do that? And these are like with threads in them. So I'm gonna put these on certain parts of the trailer so it'll be easier for me to take bits and pieces off. Now I have to do the nut and the bolt like so. I have to fiddle underneath the car, fiddle and try to find that nut on the bolt, and with these I can get rid of this and just use that and then run it through one of these other rivets. So the trailer is done. Came out really nice. Love the color, being black. Motorcycle fits on very well. I did have an issue with the exhausts on the Suzuki, so I might have to trim the gutter down a bit and make a different mounting for the ramp, because the exhaust was bumping against it because it's so low. And yeah, but other than that, came out really nice.